Welcome back to Let's Speak Vietnamese. Our lesson today is about shopping for clothes. Before we start the lesson, let me remind you that if you want to self-study at home, you can order our books from us or you can get them at any bookstore in Vietnam. Now let's start the lesson. The first phrase that will be useful for you guys is asking for the size. So in Vietnamese, the word size, you can say it if with a Vietnamese accent, which is sai, or the actual word for Vietnamese is cỡ, cỡ. Remember the wavy tone, yeah? Sounds like you walking and then you trip. So the question for this one is có cỡ, the size you want, and không. For example, có cỡ S không? Or you can simply ask có cỡ to hơn không? To hơn means bigger. Có cỡ nhỏ hơn không? Nhỏ hơn means smaller. Work on the pronunciation with me. O, to, ơn, hơn. O, nhỏ, ơn, hơn. The second one is about the colors. So, color in Vietnamese is màu. We have this structure. Có màu khác không? Means, do you have other colors? Or we have có màu plus the color you want and không. For example, có màu đen không? Có màu trắng không? The last thing I want to teach for today is asking for a discount. Discount in Vietnamese is giảm giá. GI is the Z sound for the knock or for Hanoi accent actually. So again we have giảm, giá, giảm giá. This word can be applied in these situations. First one we have is when you buy more than one. For example, 2 pair of clothes or 2 pair of shoes, then you can ask them whether you can have a discount. So the phrase is mua 2 cái được giảm giá không? One more time. Mua 2 cái được giảm giá không? The second situation is you actively asking if they can give you a discount. So the phrase is giảm giá được không? Giảm giá được không? Được không means is it okay? Giảm giá được không? Chị ơi, cái này có size S không ạ? Có, em đợi một chút. Còn cái này có màu đen không ạ? Có, một phút. That's the end of the lesson today. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our videos in the future. Bye!